Well, okay. What song are we doing?
Oh, Don't Be So Sure.
Don't Be So Sure. Oh, this is a tear.
This is
tear
Get Out
jer-
Your Hankies.
This is a tear jerker as opposed to the other kind of jerkers some of our songs are. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Thank you. Okay, here we go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. You keep me at arm's length in your quest for perfection, doing just the minimum to hold on to my affection. I've waited patiently, hoping you come through. You say you don't want to hurt me, but it's the first thing that you do. I'm tired of having to be your emotional insurance policy. You don't love me, but you'll settle for me. You don't love me, but you'll settle for me. I love you with a heart so pure, but if you think I'll be waiting, honey, don't be so sure. The boys you date are beautiful, that's undeniable. But unlike me, they're unreliable. You take for granted I'll wait around for you to be there to fall back on when your sexcapades are through. I'm tired of being your safety net. The more I care, the more entangled I get. You don't love me, but you'll settle for me. You don't love me, but you'll settle for me. I love you with a heart so pure, but if you think I'll be waiting, honey, don't be so sure. There's nothing like affection deferred to crush your soul and stain your world. You don't love me, but you'll settle for me. You don't love me, but you'll settle for me. I love you with a heart so pure, but if you think I'll be waiting, honey, don't be so sure. Ragged but real.
But heartfelt.
Well, gee.
Okay.
So now what? Oh, we've got Boyfriend Wanted.
Oh, yeah.
Another tearjerker. I guess the tearjerkers lend themselves to the acoustic treatment.
Yeah.
So this is a song from our first record. Way back when in 1993.
Was it 93?
It was 93. Wow. It's called Boyfriend Wanted.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Cute drunk boys in gay bars, all the trouble they cause. They come on to you so bold. You get them home, they pass out cold. You go to sleep, they start to snore. I can't put up with this anymore. Oh no, no, oh no, 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 no. Waited so long, how much more to go? Frustrated sitting at home, life's too short to spend alone. You throw some clothes on that tired body, venture out and try to meet somebody, but it's a temporary game to tide you over and keep you from going insane. Oh no, no, oh no, 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 no. Waited so long, how much more to go? some old trick there to remind me I'm professionally single, you know. I'm so experienced that by now I'm a pro. Oh no, no, oh no, 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 no. Boyfriend one. Oh no, no, oh no, 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 no. Boyfriend one. Oh no, 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 no. Waited so long, how much more to go? Oh, I feel better getting that off my chest.
It's true.
Woo.
Show of hands, how many people can relate? I thought so.
That's all of us in front of the cabin.
So we did Kissed, and we did
Boyfriend. We
Boyfriend,
did Summer.
Summer.
And I really wanted you, Dobie, so sure that leaves Vanilla.
Vanilla. Okay, I have to detune.
So San Francisco is the home of lots of leather and S&M and
James Bondage.
bondage and all kinds of stuff. And that's cool. But not always. Sometimes some of us want something a little less intense. So this is a song about those particular moments and those particular people who just don't have it in them to equate pleasure and pain so much. Ow! So this is called Vanilla, for those of us who are. Oh, it's in D. Forgot.
Oops. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do you sexual favors, but I'm not into those sexual flavors. Sometimes I wish I was braver. I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. I know about ropes and whips, handcuffs and nipple clips. That's something I'm gonna skip. I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. If I really get into you, maybe I'll sing a different tune. But I'm timid, I'm telling you, I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. People should do in bed whatever pops into their heads. But talk to me before planning ahead. It's gotta be mutual, be mutual. So you're into discipline. It turns you on the more I sting. You're liberal but fantasize right wing. I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. You'd like some skinhead boy to be your bootlicking bedroom toy. That's fine if it brings you joy. I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. I'm happy to fantasize, do whatever might arise. But even though I like surprises, I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. You know I'll never be as kinky as you want me to be. If that's not enough variety, tie someone else to your bedpost, to your bedpost. Ah. I'll do you sexual favors, but I'm not into those sexual flavors. Sometimes I wish I was braver. I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. Uh-huh. I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. Uh-huh. I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. I'm vanilla. Are we done?
I guess so. Thank you very much
Thanks
for
a
having
lot.
us on your show, and we'll see you hopefully in San Francisco sometime.